If someone asked me if I wanted a new Luba 3 robot mower, I would say, sure. This is the all-new Mammotion Luba 3 all-wheel drive robotic lawnmower. I'm going to open this thing up. We're going to check it out. First impressions, let's mow. Quick start guide. Okay. It's not paper, this is thick. That's nice. I like the instructions like that. Looks like we're gonna have to do some assembling. So, assemble. Ooh, that looks shiny. Looks like step one is the front bumper. I like how the screws come right there on the end instead of digging through a giant pack of all the screws and you have to figure out what letter it goes to. Okay, clicked in there. Now put the screws in. That's a little better. All the side guards. Screws are already there, ready to go. It is nice how many instructions, how simple the instructions are, and then they have instruction stickers all over the place with the like remove before use. Like they have safety features there where you don't cut yourself on the blades. Very well thought out here. It was just the front bumper and then the sides. They gave me 2 extra screws. It's always good to have extra. This back over. It does say to be very careful of this top. That's why I had you fold over into the foam. Just be really careful about that top eye. Okay, so front bumper, side guards, and the last thing that you gotta do is plug in the chip, which probably is in here. Key. The last thing is just plugging in the key. Okay. Key is in. Comes with an extra set of blades and screws. Comes with a little brush to clean it. Oh, it came with its own screwdriver. I got my own, I guess. It came with its own screwdriver. Helps to open up all the boxes first. Ground stakes, charger. Okay, extra key. Next thing is just setting up the charging station, then plugging it in, finding the right area to plug it in, setting up the RTK. Again, another sticker here, just showing you exactly how it goes. Slides right in. Just a weather guard, help protect the charging pads for when this bad boy backs right up to it. Now that that's all done, it says the robot is set to ship mode at the factory to protect the battery during shipping. Before initial use, please charge robot until the LED lights flash to activate it. Okay, so plug it in. We're going to charge it up while connecting the last step, which is finding a spot for it. So we're going to throw it on the charger while we set up the RTK, the locator device for the robot and the station where it's going to be. Battery charger. Okay. Okay. Okay, some lights are on. They're red, but they're on. Whoa. Okay. Well, they're on. Gonna let that charge while I set up the RTK. I found a perfect spot for the Luba 3 right here on the side of my house. Since it is the new Luba 3, it does not need an RTK station. If you're transitioning from the Luba 2 to the Luba 3, you can use the RTK station. However, the new Luba 3 does not need it, and it actually works off of N RTK stations. The technology was introduced in April, and it works off of 4G and Wi-Fi transmission.
Start charging.
This is my old Luba 2. The main differences that I see is the runtime for a Luba 2 is 190 minutes per charge, where the runtime for the Luba 3 is 215. They added the new 360-degree lidar sensor, the same one they use in self-driving cars. No more getting confused by big trees in the way, walls, or shady spots. The other upgrade from the Luba 2 is there's 4 blades per disc, and the new Luba 3 has 6 blades per disc. It mows faster and gets more done, meaning your lawn can be finished quickly without the need to stop and recharge. Because the Luba 3 uses lidar, it does not need sunlight to run. It navigates perfectly in the dark, which is perfect for me because I know that the kids are in bed, the dog is in bed, and no one else is on the lawn, so this thing can just roam free and mow the yard. Okay, with all that being said, this is the Luba 3, the all-new Luba 3 all-wheel drive unboxing video. I'm going to shoot another video to show you guys how it has been working, how to properly set up your perimeter, how many different zones you can have with the setup through the app. That'll be in my next video, but thank you guys for watching on this video unboxing. And I'll see you in the lawn, or I'll see you on another time.